So this video is showing my nuke, my brand new nuke, sitting on top of my hive that I'm going to install it in. This is the next day after I got the nuke. It's been open for overnight to get them used to it, but I haven't taken them out of the nuke yet. Here I'm finishing the install on my electric fence. I'm sure you can see lots wrong with that. All of my insulators are too far apart. They need to be much closer to the ground. I found that out. Here I'm starting my burner, my smoker. I didn't actually use it, but I'm trying to get used to lighting it anyway. So the bees have been getting acclimated to their new area for about 24 hours. It's been open. You can see them buzzing around, getting themselves used to their new area. That is a feeder jar sitting on the platform. I'm going to be installing that into an empty hive box above my brood box after I have the nuke installed. Finishing my electric fence. I love to watch my bees fly. So I'm getting ready to do my bee inspection. Got my rubber gloves on. Here I'm taking everything apart, putting the new frames from the nuke into the lower box because it's the medium box. The medium frames came from the lady I bought the bees from. There I have that top box is empty. It just has some feeders in it. I just took some mason jars and put holes in the lids and turned them upside down on top of the top cover, you know, the inner cover. I put the inner cover over the medium hive box, put the deep hive box on top of it empty, and put those two mason jars inside that hive box. Now this is the next day. I'm taking that nuke away. It was already empty. Most of the bees had already flown and are now in their new hive. So all was successful. I did see the queen on my next bee inspection after this. They're happy bees, happy busy bees. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.